Hey, this is Charlie with Tin Man Metalworks. Let's learn how to put a font in our Antler Monogram. So open your Tin Man Free Files giveaway folder, navigate to the Monograms folder, open that up. Now we're going to grab this Antler Monogram, we're just going to double click it so that that opens it up into Inkscape. Now we're going to go over here to the text tool. I'm going to select it, just go over here and select anywhere on the screen, type out the text that you want in there. Now after you're done typing that, come up here and hit your selection tool so that you can move it. My text is green. If you come down here to your color palette, you can change this to whatever color that you choose. Just click on it. I generally choose to work in something that's a different color than what I'm working on. So just come over here to one of the corner arrows, drag this to whatever size that you want it to be. I'm going to come over here to my number pad and zoom into this so I can see it a little better. You're going to select the text that you typed in there. Now you got to make sure that the text is overlapping the top and the bottom of this so that it welds in there when you're done, when you're ready to do that. So select the text that you have drawn out, hold shift, select the backing so that they both have this dotted line around it. We're going to come up over here to the alignment tool. We're going to select it to bring up the options. We're going to select this one right here that is the center one. So it's going to center that text in the middle of that Antler Monogram. So we're going to come back over here to the screen. We're going to click on the white area to remove all the selections. So now we're going to select only the text. We're going to come up here and we're going to hit path, and we're going to select this object to path. Then we're going to go over here to the object menu. We're going to pull this down to ungroup, and that's going to draw a dotted line around each one of these individual letters. We're going to come back up here to path, and we're going to hit combine so that it turns it back into one thing again. Come over here, we're going to hold shift, select the backing so that they're both selected now. We're going to come up here to path, and we're going to hit union, and that's going to weld that in there. Now that's one piece ready to cut out. I'm going to go over here and hit my minus key on my number pad to zoom out. Now to resize this, you're going to go up here to everything defaults into millimeters, so I'm just going to open this menu up, come up here to inches. I work in inches. Now with this selected, it's going to tell you how big it is. It's 8.02 inches by 8.035 inches. Now let's say we want to cut this out at 18 inches. We're going to come up here to the lock aspect ratio button. We're going to click that. We're just going to come over here to the width. We're going to highlight this. Say we want it 18 inches, so we're going to type 18 in there. Hit the enter key. Now that is going to cut that out at 18 inches by 18.032 inches. Just going to hit the minus key over here to zoom out a little bit. Now you can send that over to your table and it'll cut that out. That's all there is to it. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe button, leave us some comments and suggestions, anything you want to see in the future. Appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button as well. Ring that bell.